In the hustle bustle of this materialistic world, I am Subhash Kwikel from the busy city of Kathmandu is striving hard to stand tall in crowd and bring a few positive changes in society as a youth power. Volunteering helps youth like us to realize the true value of life, vision of life and virtue of live for others, brotherhood, peace and mutual cooperation and a sound prosperity. In this regard, I have volunteered in cleaning campaigns, different youth empowerment campaigns, community services and leadership seminars, festivals, blood donation camps through various NGOs and INGOs time and again. It is very important but still difficult to manage time for youth to involve oneself in various social sectors other than academics. On the other hand, political instability and turmoils resulting in negative and demotivating impacts on the energetic and curious youths have also turned out to be a great challenge for volunteerism. Egoistic behavior, desire of being superior and money-mindedness has also halted the spirit of volunteerism, thus resulting in the lack of good understanding, coordination, teamwork and wrong images and passed to youth. In today's world of 21st century and in the context of humanity, no human is inferior to other on any issue. Everyone has right to enjoy his or her fundamental rights, fulfilling the required duties considering the national constitution. So, I being in my active phase of life and person who believes in the statement serving humanity is to serve God, I have been working as Youth Network Coordinator in Amnesty International Nepal to involve youth in conservation and promotion of human rights and making people live better life of peace, good cooperation and mutual understanding and respect. As a proud active citizen of a nation like Nepal, which is highly gifted and enriched with natural beauty, incredible history and warm mesmerizing diversity of culture, youths are the greatest challenge to the present society. If the youths are positively guided today, then we can imagine of a better world tomorrow. Volunteerism helps to find a better solution during societal problems and achieve this target.